Hello बच्चों, problem is that let R1 is a relation defined by R1 equal to that A is related to B if A is greater than equal to B for AB belonging to the set of real numbers. Then R1 is type of relation हमें यहाँ पता करना है. So the given relation is that A is related to B if A is greater than equal to B for all A and B belonging to the set of real numbers. So पहले हम पता करते हैं whether the function is relation is reflexive or not. और किसी भी रिलेशन को रिफ्लेक्सिव होने के लिए सेट का हर एलिमेंट खुद से रिलेट होना जरूरी होगा. सो इफ वी राइट दैट A is related to A, then it means A is greater than equal to A. और ये स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है फॉर एवरी रियल नंबर. सो विच इज ट्रू for all A belonging to the set of real numbers. So therefore we can say that R1 is reflexive relation. Second, if A is related to B, that means A is greater than equal to B. लेकिन इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि B is less than equal to A, not greater than. So it does not imply that B is greater than equal to A. So therefore, A R1B does not imply that B is related to A. So therefore, R1 is not symmetric relation. Third, अगर हम ट्रांजिटिविटी की बात करें, since A is greater than equal to B and B is greater than equal to C and it implies that A is greater than equal to C, means A B से बड़ा है, B C से बड़ा है, then obviously A is greater than C. So therefore, we can say that A is related to B, B is related to C and it implies that A is related to C. So therefore, R1 is transitive relation. So the final answer to this problem is option 2, that the relation is reflexive transitive but not symmetric. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.